Google launches Summer Internship 2021 in India. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Google Careers where you get all the internships and jobs information from Google and associated apps. Now, I am going to find what is new in this. By the latest notification from Google, Google invited application for the Summer Internship 2021. And here is the internship portal of the Google. You need to watch this full video for getting all the information about this internship, how to apply, what need to do for maximizing your chances for getting this internship, also the other resources which makes your internship chances more and more. So let's start it. This is the internship portal where you get many internships, but mainly these internships are international from all over the world. You can see here from France, London and many other countries, Dublin. But we want the internship which is in India. And now I'm going to show you where you get this internship. When you scroll down, you get there, see all our current internships from Google. And here all the internships are appeared. One thing more you need to do is you just on the create alerts, because if any new internships matches on your profile, then Google automatically notify you. Now I'm going to show you the internship software engineering intern summer 2021 in Bangalore, Karnataka, and one more location. One more location is Hyderabad in Andhra. This is from a Google. And now I am going to show you application deadline. Application deadline is August 10, 2020. And here is the all about summer internship. It will going to held on May and June of 2021, and it is also of 10 to 12 weeks long. There is one more notice on this. You can see when you go through the link. And here minimum qualification required is BS, MS. BS means Bachelor of Science, MS means Master of Science, PhD degree, experience in software development, ability to speak and write English fluently, and preferred qualifications are those which makes your chances more and more for this internship. It is getting knowledge of C++, Java, Python, TCP, IP and network programming, knowledge of Unix, Linux, and one more thing. About the job, you can see on your screen there are two types of jobs here, product and system development, and second is of engineering and productivity. You can see all the information on your screen. And now after that, what the responsibilities are. Specific responsibility vary by project area. And here you can see the locations in the map. As I initially mentioned, it is in Bangalore and Hyderabad. You well known these two cities. So now I am going to show you how to apply for it. When I am going for apply, you need your Google account. You can see above there is my Google account. Use your personal Google account, and after that you need your resume, which takes space of maximally 2 MB. How you can make effective resume I show in this video in the last. So stay tuned till the last. And after that there is a contact details where firstly your legal name means your full name, and after that your address, and then country, city, state provenance, GIP postal code, and after that your primary phone. You can change your country. Here you can see there is a logo of USA. You can change to India. And after that your website, higher education, degree status, major area of study, country, region. If you doesn't do any higher education, then just click on no. After that there is a work experience, applying for your first job. Then if you click on yes, then you doesn't need to put this type of credentials. Just see here, when I put yes, then there is no more information required. And after that cover letter and other notes. For your kind information, I want to inform you that in Google internships your cover letter takes very less weightage, so doesn't tense about that. It is also an optional column. In cover letter, you need to put your objectives and what is in your resume. Cover letter is an introduction about your resume, and resume is an introduction about you. So give more importance to your resume. And after that, if you have still any confusion, then you go through this website, how to apply. When you tap on this, you get all information about how to prepare, how to apply, where you get all the information which is required for Google internships, just like how to prepare your resume. Now I am going to show you. Here there is a student column, learn how to create a great resume and apply. When you go through it, you get to know about how to prepare a resume for Google internships, and after that there are some more things so that you can learn more about Google internships. These columns represent specifically topics of Google internships, and here Google Associate Product Manager program, there are many programs which you get here. Now I'm going to show you how to create your resume for a Google internships. Here students applying to Google, ready to apply for a Google internships, and here focus on your resume. Your resume is the first piece of information we will see about you. So make your resume very clear and highlight your achievements. Keep it short, include your GPA. If you have had a leadership quality, then include that. Prepare for the interview process. Here is the interview process, all guidelines are here, and also some helpful questions which may ask on your Google internships interview. If you want more information about this Google internships and resume through videos, then Google have an YouTube channel where you get all information about that. They specifically load all these contents. Now I'm going to paste this link in description. Go through it and apply for this internship. Please share this video to your friends so that they also get benefited by this video.